How to get rid of bad breath, 7 home remedies that really work. 1. Saltwater rinse. Rinsing with salt water helps to prevent the buildup of bacteria in the throat and mouth. Because salt is slightly acidic, it helps balance the alkalizing environment that can cause the growth of microbes causing bad breath. 2. Eating more fiber. Consuming more fiber helps your digestive system remove harmful toxins that can build up and cause bad breath. Fiber-rich foods include oranges, carrots, avocados, sweet potatoes, oats, almonds, and apples. 3. Baking soda. Adding a little baking soda to your toothpaste or making your own toothpaste with baking soda is not only a great way to keep your teeth white, it also changes the pH in the mouth to make it less desirable for bacteria. 4. Tongue scraper. Even if you brush your tongue when you brush your teeth, you may still leave some stubborn bacteria behind. Use a tongue scraper to be sure that your tongue is free from these bad breath-causing bacteria. 5. Stay hydrated. Avoid dry mouth by drinking plenty of water. Green tea is also an excellent beverage choice as it has powerful antioxidants that can help fight the growth of undesirable bacteria in the mouth. 6. Aloe Vera. Aloe vera contains both antifungal as well as antibacterial properties. Gargle with 100% aloe vera juice as often as needed to kill bacteria and keep your mouth fresh and smelling great. 7. Exercise. Exercising daily helps increase ventilation and circulation, resulting in an increased cellular turnover in the body. Exercise also helps to keep harmful bugs that cause bad breath away. So these are the 7 ways to get rid of bad breath. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. In this channel you will get information about various health-related topics. Wishing you good health in your life. Bye.